Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I thought I'd be looking at the SD World Hero series today. I gave this a bit of time to let all the kits come in, and we're about 2/3 of the way through everything that's coming out. So now's as good a time as any to check it out. So what is SD World Heroes? It is essentially SD Gundam crossed with all different sorts of things colliding in a big, awesome fashion. You can watch the series over at Gundam Info. I highly suggest it. 25 episodes, and it is really crazy, really awesome. So it entails all different kinds of facets from all over the world. You have stuff like Romance of Three Kingdoms, Journey to the West, the Golden Age of Piracy, Legendary Ninjas, Phantom Thieves, even going so far as stuff like RoboCop. It is really quite awesome, really cool stuff, and the kits are really nifty. They're all SD scale, they all fit really well onto a desk, a workspace, anything like that. Real eye catches all of them, and they are very unique, all really far apart from each other in terms of design, as would be anything that comes from all over the world. So I do suggest you get some of the kits, guys. A large portion of them are available at Metro Hobbies. So that about sums it all up, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out all this awesome Gundam SD World Hero stuff, metrohobbies.com.au, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take it easy.